I have no feeling in my fingers or penis, but I think it was worth it. Oh.
Pat, look for secrets. John.
12:02, just for reference. Why'd you guys do that?
We need you to pick.
Thought we should make a snowman, and so we made a snow Phillip.
Genius.
Also, I'm gonna tackle John. I'm gonna break out and tackle John.
How cold is it?
We're gonna carve it so it looks like a snowman.
How cold is it?
It's not cold except
My
for
makeup.
my butt.
Look at my. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wake Johnny up, and we're gonna have Johnny inspect it, and then give it a score. Phillip is gonna break out and then chase him and tackle him.
Okay, go and get him, cause I'm cold.
No, wait, we got.
It's extremely cold out. It's also 12 at night. 10 minutes? How does it take that long?
Well, they're shaping it right now.
Shh, that should not take 10 minutes.
Hey Johnny, we have a super awesome snowman judging, and I need you to judge it. These snowmen are so big. Don't blind me.
Sorry. Didn't mean to try. It's cold out, but they're big snowmen.
How long have you been making the snowman for?
Cause it's cool, come on.
No, how long have you been making
Oh,
it
a
for?
couple hours.
Oh wow. Okay.
Here, 1 second. Put your shoes on this way. John, come over here. I'll go out and see if they're ready, okay? Are you ready? Hey, okay, I'll hold them in the garage. Just tell me when you're ready. It'll be a minute, 1 second. They're just finishing it up. John, come on. He's coming. So look at this one first. It's like midnight.
Kind of tall.
Yeah. What do you think about it? Like a score and stuff?
I'd probably have to say, since I've never seen a bald snowman, I'd have to get it a solid.
Yeah, come over here. A solid 10?
Solid 10 out of 10, yes.
Oh
It's
boy,
simplest
that's gonna be
solution
hard to
I've
break
ever
because I
seen.
put one
What
down
about-
there so you can see it.
Okay, no, John, you gotta calm down.
You gotta tell me what you noticed about it. See if you recognize anything. No, get closer.
Yeah, John, get close.
Get really close.
Get
Closer. Do you see
inspect
any
it, John.
details on it, John? Let's see. Pat, look for secrets. John.
How was it, John?
Traumatizing and scarring.
So John.
That was
What's
so
the
hard
score?
to run. My legs
What's the
hurt
score
now.
on that one? What's the score?
My heart is pumping really fast right now.
Oh, let's check.
That scared me.
I know.
That was good for
What was numb?
Right, John?
Trying to run, I could not run. I felt like a hunchback.
The video's definitely messed up because I got scared.
I'm good.
Come on. You'll fall asleep like a baby now, right? Hey, don't have nightmares. That's kind of might actually be a concern.
I had a couple nightmares last night.
It's actually kind of a concern now.
Okay.